Hey, what's going on? Another hat came in, guys. This is the SF Giants Head in the Clouds collection from New Era, of course. Today I'm rocking the New York Yankee hat, City Dreams Subway Series cap with the hot pink under brim right here. Super clean, but I had just picked up another cap. Let's go ahead and take a look. Quick unboxing, guys. She's in here. Very, very nice packaging. I got this straight from New Era. It even came with a plastic bag, which is super cool. Let's see here. Brand new cap collection. Thankfully, I was able to catch this on time because now they are pretty much sold out of my size. Here's the cap, guys. What makes this hat really special is the underbrim. As you can see, clouds. They had one with the clouds on the crown right there, but I did not like that. I like this with the blue highlights, baby blue highlights, and the World Series patch here with a matching Batterman color. It is a bit damaged right here, but I don't mind since this was the last cap that I was able to pick up. Very, very clean hat, guys. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. You can never go wrong with this. Some kind of blue outfit, or just you just want it to shine, you know? Let's check it out, guys. Boom. Perfect fit. 738. I like it. I love it. As you can see, it's already matching the outfit. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below, guys. SF Giants Head in the Clouds collection, New Era, 59fifty cap. There it is. See you guys at the next episode.